Hey guys, let's follow DJ and Jenny through a room tour here of our two rooms. This is the two queen adjoining room we have for the boys. This is the bathroom, of course. Got the little separate water closet here, of course, where the magic happens. And it's got a great big lighted mirror in here, like at the most other ones. Very big stand-up shower in here as well. Out to the main portion of the room. You see the boys sitting by the window there. Ice bucket and glass and mini bar set up. Two very comfy queen-size beds here, one for each of the boys. Nice strip view out that window. Huge television there. The boys use to hook up their Xbox for when they're just hanging out in the room here. And we'll go out to our suite. Of course, again, this time we were upgraded to the one-bedroom suite, 1,100 square feet, I believe it is. Another massive television there and a big sectional sofa. Oh, who's that handsome fella? There's the bar set up with the mini bar, separate fridge. The espresso machine is a great addition. Separate water closet off the main living area here. Comes in handy. There's the walk-through little dressing area with your safe and your hangers and a makeup mirror. Onto the main bathroom here. Again, another huge shower here with the rainfall shower head. Big tub in the center here. Two separate vanities there, his and hers, or maybe it's going to be hers and hers. We'll see. Again, another little water closet area here with its own frosted glass door. I'm going to step out here to the main bedroom. This is the king-size bed there. Again, it's got the strip view. Nice little apparatus there for putting your suitcase out there and some drawers to pack away some clothes if you're so inclined. Looking out the window there, you can see down the strip. It looks a lot better at nighttime, but it's not bad there just the same. Look at it from this other window here. It's a little lower on this floor than the last time. You still see the pool and the rest of the strip.